Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you set up Robinhood account. In order to set up Robinhood account, you have to follow these steps. First of all, you would either install the application from your respective app store. Since the screen won't appear, so I'll be using a web version. If you're using a web version, then you want to type in robinhood.com and it's going to take you this field. Over here in the top right hand side corner, click the sign up button. Now you have to start with your personal information, first name, last name, email address, and create a password as well. Now quickly do it so. Once done, click on the continue button at the bottom of the page. After which, what you need to do is then once you're done with that, you want to follow the prompt to link your bank account. Robinhood may require a small deposit or verification process to confirm your bank account. And then you have to answer questions about your investment experience and employment. Then you want to review and agree to the tax certifications, all that. And once you've actually done it, so review and approve, and you'll be able to. And you must be 18 years old to open a Robinhood account as well. And that is how you could go ahead and set up a Robinhood account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.